In this video, I'll show you how to select object in Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this photo and you can see there are many objects and we can just select the objects by one click. So for that, what you need to do, just head to this option and hold your left click to see the option for object selection tool. Just select the object selection tool and right here we need to make sure that object finder is right here should be checked. Once it is checked, you can just move your cursor over to the objects and you can see here I am just able to select the object. They have automatically detected all the objects on this image, like this is the sofa, this is the chair and all these pots. I want to select this chair, for example. I just need to hit my left click and here you can see they have selected the chair and I can just change the color if I want to, like anything you can do from now. So yeah guys, that's how you can select object in Photoshop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.